Hey everyone, so I'm gonna make a makeup tutorial about how to look good. I mean, not about kung paano maging maganda kahit maghuhugas ka lang ng plato. Okay? So let's. So my mom left a lot of hugasan in the sink. So okay, I'm gonna. At here my salamin. So, okay, here is my concealer. I used this for almost a year already. So I'm gonna find it. Actually, because I was I'm so obsessed with this one. Like I was on the verge of buying another one, but it was this collection was already phased out in Walmart. So I got this at Walmart, by the way. So yeah, it was already phased out. So what I did was I bought just the Age Rewind. Kato ganing na marag cotton sa babaw, then like you need to twist. That's from Maybelline also. So I'm not sponsored or anything. I bought all the products with my own money. So and when I say my own money, I did not ask from my parents. Okay. Just a disclaimer. So I'm gonna use this color. This is my shade, by the way. This one and this one. When you mix these two, that's my shade. Okay. So I'm gonna put that in the lower.
It's already here.
Oh, hey. How's it going for you? I forgot to get your number.
Oh, you mean the flash?
It's whatever. Give me your fucking guns.
That's too many numbers. Okay.
Bet these disasters at the club the other night. Now they're both here.
Ah, you
Think
mean?
you might have been bugged.
You mean this lyric? No, it's not an lyric now. Sorry, she's using Facebook app, and
You guys look even
no, our
better in
mom.
this lighting.
They're not the
Fuck you,
most.
sucks fuck me.
Di mo gits na maayo kayo Facebook do, to be honest lang yun. So yeah.
Because I'm about to fuck you up.
Actually, we're watching the Heat, starring
Shit in the face.
actually gonna dang.
How long is this gonna
Okay,
take?
and I'm gonna get my beauty blender. I'm gonna dump it a little bit. So yeah.
No, you just need to be patient, all right? It is crucial that you remain patient. So crucial this time.
So okay, I'm gonna zoom in
What is your
after I blend my.
Yeah, on top of my head like a normal person. What is the difference? Move on. Okay, if you enter
I'm
that room,
gonna
you
zoom
break the
in.
bond that we created, okay? Just please trust me on this one.
So right now I'm gonna put some foundation, and I use this one by Fit Me in the shade 220. So since hapit na siya mahurot, since it already hit the pan, they say, I'm gonna use this just to max okay, and this one. So if you're wondering why I did not put something on my neck, actually maghugas ako dahil. Saka. So I'm gonna blend that with my beauty blender. And so I bought my beauty blender in Shopee.
I can hear you.
Shut up. Just please don't do anything crazy. Don't do anything crazy. What am I gonna do that's crazy?
Since nagyapon ko what's it called? Zit na makita, I'm gonna get my favorite brush, which is this, and I'm gonna get the lightest shade, and I'm gonna.
Don't worry, she's not gonna do it. She's not gonna do anything.
Oh, okay, so you want to go and
I'm
gamble
gonna-
with your sperm and your testicles? Okay, gamble away.
Okay, like
Go
that.
to the corner. I'm in it.
Okay,
I'll tell you what we're
it's done. It's done already. Okay,
Except for this one. Because this
I'm gonna put some
in there. And then you're gonna tell me where
bobby pins around my hair. This
and when that shipment is coming.
part because it's wala siya og katagakin. Okay, something like that. Okay. And
Yeah, that's not what I fucking asked you, is it?
Hey, straight here, take the gun out of this.
so I'm gonna blend my face with this powder. Actually, this is my favorite face powder of all time from Airspun. Loose powder. I don't know. I'm gonna find out the shade. In the shade. Oh my god, my mom is taking a picture with me. Translucent extra coverage. And I'm gonna use this brush. Where's that brush that I really like? And I still use it. I bought this. I really like this brush. Actually, I just bought it at the.
You wanted us to keep them on the street?
My mom is taking a picture with me. To me, I'm taking a picture. I'm gonna post my mom's makeup makeup tutorial in this YouTube channel. So if this YouTube channel will, if this YouTube video will be so long enough. When I'm speaking English, oy, yatay. I'm so nalulula na talaga ako, guys. So yeah, already. By the way, I do not bake the powder under my. Di na ko i-bake ang powder diri dapita, or I do not hindi ko binibake yung powder this part. Why? Because I don't like I just learned that from Albert Corinawan's video, okay? So I watch his video. What are my faves? And okay, I'm gonna put some eyebrow products. Okay, I'm gonna get my eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna dump my eyebrow pencil, which is like this, and top off the excess. I'm gonna get this one. This is from Max Jonas in number 3, I guess. Number 2. I'm gonna get this shade and put it at the center part. This and just blend the extra powder, the extra product. Oh my god!
Keep your face. Spit that shit out. It's not free. Let's go.
Tuna Matina. It's the Tuna Matina.
I haven't heard from you.
Just read the correct Italian
Did I do
lyrics.
something wrong or?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. It's not you, it's me. I'm still working on myself, so I can't be a part of 2 until I'm a better one. Okay, wait, I still have my favorites coming. Oh,
Okay, wait, it's
you
not.
make me
Actually,
want
di
to
naman
be a better
talaga.
Okay, you know what? I thought we had a good time.
one. We did the last time. Now we're gonna move on. Let it go. Okay. Alright, cool. Hey, no hard feelings, right? Okay.
Tuna Matina. At time, marunong kung na-stroke pa niya ako ang kilay. Okay, I'm gonna get my favorite brush. And
Bye.
I'm gonna
I don't know how to say it. It's pretty clear. So you don't feed strays. We get 2 more shots. We should just get 1 more piece. Alright? I don't know, it's hard. I know we're not supposed to say this, but being a woman in this field is hard. And I'm just so intimidated by it. It's just like, why? And you put your personality on top of that, and it is off-putting. Yeah, I was actually married for 6 years. Is he a hearing man? Yes. Yeah, he didn't understand how
blend
much
it.
the job meant to me.
Spider,
So I
actually,
tried
I'm
my
not
best
really
to
good.
be alone.
Hindi kay kumayo with my brows, so manunggam anak ka na siya o kabaw. So I'm gonna ask God, why it's like that? God, I'm sure the altar is reserved. Okay, maragigipag-asa aning na part, so look. Oh, just don't imagine about it. Okay, I'm gonna put something on my eyes like this color, like the highlighters, and I'm gonna i-feel nila to na Urban Decay na siya na eye potion. And saan na siya? Eye primer. And I'm gonna get my
with a lot of children.
My palette. This is from the Mousse Land Elf Night Elf, and I'm gonna get this. Oh, where's that brush again? From Marionoid. This is the brush from Marionoid, which I really love. I'm gonna get this one, okay, in the shade Blackberry, and I'm gonna put it at my lid since na ako very okay, look at that. I'm gonna put a little bit of powder. I'm gonna put a little bit of powder.
Alright, yep. Alright, let it out. That's
Yeah.
good for you. Start working
I'm
through
gonna
it.
turn up like na chest mess.
Alright, blow it out.
Gotta
Really let it go. You got more than that. You got more than that. Ow! Good job. Hey.
that's one. That's it. That's it. Actually, that's it.
You want 2 neighbors?
I'm gonna put it again on the other side. Make sure top off. Okay, Nana. So I'm gonna get a blending brush like this one. Make sure to blend the whole area. Okay, something like that. I don't really. Yeah, I'm gonna ask a help to help with this guy. Today I'm gonna achieve Chris Aquino's look. But I know I'm using cheap products, so I'm not entitled to. Come on, Mom Chris. I like you so much. Please adopt me. Sorry, my mom is there like, what? Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of. That's it. Like this color would do. Like will do. I mean, this is the blackberry and it really helps a lot.
I don't feel it. I don't feel it.
Okay. So something like that. And I'm gonna get another color. Actually, I will get this black pearl color and put it in this part. Okay, and make sure top of that is it's strong, pigmented.
You know what? Here's this.
Yeah, something like that.
That's it. Yes, God. Jesus, you've got
Something like that. Namura kang burikan. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
You're taking them out of people's mouths and smoking them.
Copyright na siguro tayo yung brown nose ring.
Alright, see what you got.
Lalakat.
I didn't think you were going to care that much about your jacket. You didn't care at all when you gave away your car. Who did I give it to? It's a rain. Where's the rain? Wait, he just walked out of here. You were sitting on his lap all night. You had your tongue down his throat? What?
Okay, that's it. So, I think that will do. No, I'm just kidding. So I'm gonna get my
Jesus, tell me this message. Will you get here, please?
Okay, where is that?
Your underwear back.
Here.
You cannot take that car. It's government
It's
property.
I don't know what brand is this, but I just really
Okay?
I found it in my closet.
Oh, God.
Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, para maskarain ganta.
Oh my god. Oh shit, oh my god. Your first boyfriend. You two are electric.
And this part also.
Federal marshals transferring in Greenwich. We're not sure whether Larkin's man followed the marshals or if they got information from the inside.
You don't think it's a little obvious?
Fuck you!
I know when I smell a fucking albino rat.
You were pointing finger around here. Why don't you point it right back at yourself? Yeah. No, because if you two hadn't brought Julian in, then Larkin would have never even known that we were onto him. And then this whole case
Okay.
would be the giant mixed up bucket of shit that it is right now.
Kasi mo pilit dahil blago chikaling na eyeliner
Now
dahil.
Larkin knows who you are and Julian's angry as
Kaya
shit.
siya.
If I were you, I would
Carry
get
on.
out of town.
You like that one?
I'm gonna get my
He's right.
favorite.
This isn't a choice.
Many
No way.
my friends na naging mo na gid sila palit na gyud ko. But this is my favorite eyelash curler because this is the only eyelash curler na dili mang maak sa akong diri na part.
Yeah, thanks.
I bought
It's another fuck
this
up area in my life. Thanks for bringing it up.
Brand is Equate from Walmart. Na lang flagship brand, something like that. And I'm gonna put my mascara, my favorite from Hyper Pro mascara, Maybelline
Yeah, I'm gonna step
Volume
back.
Express.
See what you assholes can do. Yeah, go to
So wala ko yung pilo karon kay
We gotta get my
quarantine time. Okay, no, okay.
They're somewhere.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dito sa pikas.
It could be somebody from my own precinct. It could be your boss, Pussy Boots.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Are you
8,
with me or not?
9. Okay, na siya. Okay, what man pa? What man tayo? Okay. I'm gonna put product.
Because you're an asshole. Hey, don't talk to her like that. It's not her fault.
You sure you wanna bring everyone? No, it'd be like shit with this.
Ay, kuya! Okay na ako gagawin, judge ko niya. Shit. Hoy, gagawin ni doktor, judge ko niya yet. Nakaingal ka siya, ato yan, ano gina na niya? Ano gina mga kaugmaon? Make up na lang siyang balay. Joke lang with you, I'm gonna get the back territory na ako gi-show niyo kanina. I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. And here lang po ito. Okay, para create like illusion. Illusion yaga. Ako din actual daging. Kumilis na makark ni guys.
Fucking horse to a motel.
We gotta get Gina.
For what?
Because you put her fucking life in danger.
Nobody gives a shit about her.
If I'm going, Gina's going. I'm not going unless we get Gina.
Just get it.
Sige. Malalarga. Yeah, I'm gonna top up the excess powder. Okay, regnagit siya excess. And I told myself I'm gonna put
What's this girl doing?
mascara din. Kalimutan sa ante. Kagkampanon. Pwede mag-gloss ko kung kalimutan ka.
She physically goes through
I'll
it.
get you, girl.
She's fine, Ma. Come on, Gina, get in the car.
What the fuck?
I got you the rollie so you can roll the bag.
Oh my god, nipilit siya ang anhi
You
bayot.
want me a bag for Christmas so that I can
So, mita ta diri limpyo na brush.
I'm gonna get you a
Nagtiyanan.
sucker for Christmas so I don't have to do it no more. Oh, yeah.
Okay, something like that. So, I'm gonna put my
Just break up with this girl.
my concealer. So, yeah. I'm gonna get this my favorite brush na bisag ko brush kani gidong gamiton. Tayo naman yun.
Jason, your family.
Una mattina, Miss Santo. Charlotte. And I'm gonna get my favorite, one of my contour brush, and this is the brush that I use for contouring. Okay, something like that. Okay. Higop sa bow. Okay. Ginhawa for a minute, and blend that with your hands. Kay gift ni God. Masana, marang tagburikat sa Hollywood.
Having your brother on the inside would be a coup for us.
Hollywood, Hongkera.
Saying that out loud.
Camaguayan
You
Street.
know what, Mom? She was exactly the same thing when you lived with your brother.
Okay na, mura na ko.
So, it was just some
Oh, sige na, mura na ko si
random-
Marilyn Soriano.
We
Wow, mama, grabe ka fan Hollywood.
all have a lot to lose if we don't catch Larkin.
Okay, something like that. Na mura tag bilatram ko gusto tag plato dai, sige pagwapa. And my favorite lipstick is from the
Nobody forced your brother
Okay, I'm gonna use this lipstick, ha?
That's not helping us.
Kanina lipstick
So I'm
is
trying to
from...
figure that out. Okay, I'm starting
I'm gonna use this lipstick. Kanina lipstick kaysa hinatag isa ko mahod pa Christmas. And you know what? Makita ko siya sa Shopee, tag 40 pesos na ni siya. Kanang lima ni siya kabuok, so tag 40 pesos na siya sa Shopee. That's why naglagot siya na ako, kay naman ako yung account sa Shopee. And nakita man ako na grabe kayo siya mo siya Karen Karenson. You know Karen Karenson or Helen Horvath or something like Laura Clary would do. Or Pamela Pumpkin. Kada ganing grabe kay mga magkuhan ng customer service ba? I am so disappointed with your service. I hate it. Something like that. Hindi siya dahil mga... American siya batas. So I'm gonna put it. This one, this orange, no? Itong makaon na.
Just relax, everything will be just fine.
Okay.
Step back.
Manghod ka sa taglata.
Okay, I need a knife and a straw, please. I need to perform an emergency tracheotomy. I'm gonna need a glass of vodka. Vodka? It's a kitty. For sterilization, hot water. You know what you're doing.
Okay, and this one.
I've been doing some research and I feel fairly confident I know
This
how.
color, no? I'm gonna put it to the
I'm gonna find your... Shh, stop touching me. So, the crystal thyroid membrane, I think it's right. I'm gonna make a small incision. Let's go my hand. Let's go my hand. Let's go make a small
How to look good para manghugas lang plato. So 20 minutes pang magpa-makeup and 1 hour manghugas sa plato. At least hulas queen pa dahil. So I'm gonna take kuan na no.
I'm gonna insert my fingers in here because what's happening is...
I'm gonna take off all of my hairpins and stuff because yeah, we were born this way.
And it's gonna allow
So the-
oxygen to get to your brain. Now, because one moment you're gonna feel the oxygen flow into your brain. There we go. Oxygen. Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Oh my God! That's a lot of work. Oh my God!
Oh my god nga, bugo kayo dahil.
I don't know what I did. You did that. The ambulance coming. So sorry.
Uy! Hashtag, balikat sa Hollywood. Hi, sa ko mga friends dira, Morbid, friends. I hope you don't, di ako nila-disown Alriza, or just, kaya ba ko i-disown dyan kung just biyahat. Number 1 siya mo disown of friends. Labi na magpakauwaw na, pero the hell I care. Okay, napaday diri dahil. So, si Pamela doy, giving ko kung Pamela. Pangalan ba ginawa mga friends? Wala ka mo. Oo, naginaslag subod yun. Naslag friend a weirdo. Ay, pagbot na, kaya di mo beautiful.
I've noticed
Okay.
England only wears sweatpants. Fuck you. You,
Mura na
F
tag-
you. This is Mullins.
Okay, I'm from Bronx, New York.
What are you talking about? Where the hell are you?
Look, I talked to them and everything's fine. Nothing's weird.
Anak mo, ganun siyang painari niya.
work that way, Jason.
Aba ko is mga mama dahil di
Yeah,
ko
but we also know who destiny that means.
magkalhadlo kay mama.
It doesn't work that way. Shut up for a minute.
Look, I know where
Ay,
shit
dapat
is
eh.
going to, alright?
Ano ko muna siya
I don't give a shit about
napamagi
this shit. Just
bobby
get your
pins.
ass back here now.
We're sticking around working and they're gonna know something's weird.
Get off me.
Please, trust me, I'm trying to do the right thing here.
Are you kidding me?
What?
Jason, let go of my Jason.
Ano, mahugas ako ko plato ba pa kay ko no?
Don't talk to her.
Oh my god, pareha na tag lipstick.
Be afraid of tons of guys, alright? Be heavily armed, you gotta be careful.
Okay no, okay, mahugas sa tag plato guys, di tag dato. Okay, giniginaw ako sunugin ang alipin. Kuwanta ni Biwa, manigamit. Kaya na, maghugas na ta. Kaya na ta, ready na, tanan. This is my outfit of the day, and this is my hair.
You should have made my brother a dead man.
No, he's gonna be fine. Mom, I swear he'll be fine.
Ganun. Actually, the only makeup product na wala ko is blush. Why? Kay, uwihan ko blush unday. Murag, murag. Uwihan ko blush on. Murag bridesmaid ya words. Oh my god, you know what? Unsa oras ako naghimo sa akong hair? It's 6 p.m. kaya naghimo jud ko na ako gyud gi-made up sa akong mind na maghimo ko ni na video. But hi lang sa tanang mga hi. Okay, magahugas na ko dai. Unya na diran tanan mga hugaw. Saban ko sa akong moms, kay wa pa ko nang hugas. Nya, di ta anak ko dato. Then ako senador, ta anak ni Manny Pacquiao. Doon sa ko ilong iyo words. Kinamang higas na ta, kay di ta dato. Okay na. Napis naman dirty kitchen kaya wala pa naman namang kitchen. So, kung dirty siya, mo nang gitawag na siya dirty kitchen kay dirty gina siya day. Dili masig pang judge kay di tala kog senador. Sige na, ganun mo tanas akong gasan. Oh, salamat! Salamat po. Bakit po kami mahirap? Char lang, wala kaming 6K na subsidy, no? Shes-mess. Baka naman, mga people of the Philippines. Okay. Okay, I'm so glad we came to this point of view. So, parang mahadlo ko na part. Oh, sige, nanin akong hair. Lagi ko pa nalagi ko. Ay! Okay. So, next video na lang, next video na lang ang chess-mess sa hugasan. Okay. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you guys. That's so beautiful. Yes, I can do the cooking and yes, I can do the cleaning. Oh my God, what's that? So, nakuha na ko akong tripod. Kaya, pinalit ako sa Shopee tag 50. Sige, bye.